Simulator can put the drivers in numerous situations, in real-world situations that could possibly or potentially be harmful without actually putting the driver or the vehicle in harm's way. I try to tell everybody, I'm not here to tell you how to drive. We're here to talk about safety and safe handling. We can create all different types of weather: ice, rain, snow, fog, change the wind. We can add different cars that may not follow the traffic laws. They'll be going through construction zones, different equipment doing different things in front of them, behind them. You know, and every situation is different. You can change the simulations to affect that person a little differently, to make them see that they can have a wreck. Or maybe they're not driving safe in one aspect that they think they are.
Because of the realism that it has and the different types of scenarios that it can produce, that we might be able to better educate our heavy equipment operators.
Traffic being stopped in front of you, construction vehicles backing out in front of you, animals running across the road.
The whole operation was just hands-on, real life.
It just felt like you were really operating your truck in a real-life job scenario.
It was like being in a real truck.
It'll help all the employees, especially the new hires that's never dealt with the size of the trucks and operation of snow plows.
You can feel every bump in the road, and if you ran off the road or ran into another vehicle, actually, you could actually tell what it felt like.
If we can familiarize the drivers in this prior to putting them inside a real vehicle, I think that they'll be more successful in passing their CDL test. They won't be as nervous or as anxious when they get behind the wheel. This will allow them to be familiar with the controls and how a vehicle might react in certain situations.
You have people that step through the door that are at all ends of the spectrum. They all come out saying that they thought it was good. It was, it was a lot of informative information. They liked being able to drive and put the information that we talked about to use in the simulations. But at the end of the day, yes, I mean, there's a wide range. 2 million mile drivers walk in the door. I had a driver trainer that had logged over 2 million miles that said he thought every person ought to do this before they step in his truck to train with him.